Hello guys, so in this lecture I have talked about what is Amazon affiliate marketing program. So I will deeply explain this in my lecture. Here is a short description that how Amazon affiliate marketing works and what are the consequences, what are the effects on daily earnings. So what is the purpose of Amazon affiliate marketing? So affiliate marketing is a associate is a affiliate marketing program. It's free for website owner and blogger to become Amazon associate. They advertise product Amazon on their links and creating links. When customer click the links and buy product, then they have earn money. So how they make money is a good question of anybody who want to earn money through affiliate marketing. So whenever you do something research on products, how many you may make money on different referral codes, then you can make links to, and you can reviews about those products on your website or your blog, and people can refer their link to your link to and get back to the Amazon website and purchase something you want. You will get some of the commission which you transferred a client to the Amazon website. So what is Amazon affiliate marketing, how it is worked? And so now I'm just making arrangements in their text that you make sure that you will clearly you can see the text what I have in written on slides. So affiliate marketing is a tactic where an online retailer gives a niche website owner the ability to create unique products links called affiliate. The website owner must promote the link in exchange. When someone visits the link and make purchase, the owner automatically receive commission. This is the whole process of affiliate marketing. The affiliate is an affiliate. You only make money once the link is used. You can't make money all the time, but you once when a visitor of your blog purchase something, you will get a one time commission of that product which he has purchased, not the always time, but what he has purchased. You will definitely will get a product's commission on your AdSense program or any other platform where you can do affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a marketing tactic, as I have already discussed. How does Amazon affiliate marketing work? So how it is worked, it is really short and deeply, and the explanation we can say it's explained the Amazon program as and commission by creating so much links to on promoting their links on your blog, on your website, and you can differently you will have ID of a referral code and you will get money. So this is all about the affiliate Amazon marketing. If you have any kind of query, you may ask in my comment box. Thank you very much.